Welcome to Module 1. In this part of the module you will find out more about the creative classroom and the innovative VET teacher. First, how to be creative in vocational learning. Creative thinking and critical thinking are the essential skills that help us solve problems, but when we think creatively we are exploring new ideas. While when we are thinking critically, we are making choices. In the simplest way, being creative means to bring something new, that wasn't there before. But where can a teacher include such creative thinking? Some of the modern types of classes that can encourage and facilitate creativity are the STEM classes. They include science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This type of class is an interdisciplinary and applied approach based on real-world applications. Students work on problems that blend the lines between disciplines and require thinking across them, such as robotics. Open educational resources are a new approach to education and learning, emerging in the late 20th century. An OER is about any type of educational materials that are in the public domain or introduced with an open license. They include open access, open license for use, open format for reuse, and open software. The design thinking in the classroom is a new approach in which a problem is solved, define the problem, come up with new ideas, make a prototype and improve the design. This approach is based on creating the frame, in order to understand, then to imagine solutions in order to pick up the best plan, and then to make the prototype, evaluate and learn from mistakes. Introducing creativity in the vocational learning must also focus on who the learners are. This means understanding digital native learners, the Z generation. These students have never known a world without internet, computers, video games, cellular phones and other devices. But they have a well-developed visual and spatial intelligence, an extended use of images, a high distributive attention and fast responses. They do have a high capacity to learn by doing and learn by their discovery. The second part of the module is focusing on the innovative teacher. What's an innovative teacher? Becoming an innovative teacher involves moving away from traditional pedagogical practices by suggesting and implementing new approaches. This includes three main factors: student-centered pedagogy, extending learning beyond the classroom, and using ICT for teaching and learning. The innovative teacher is always preparing students ready for life, not for exams. But how can we train the innovative VET teachers from this moment on? Approaching education as eagerness for improvement, recognition of the educational work especially online, encouraging project participation of teachers, increasing the contribution of teachers to the global community, professional essays to share knowledge, and last but not least, introducing new innovative technologies and methodologies. I don't have enough time. I need more training. I don't have enough resources. Or I might lose the control of the class. How often did you thought of at least one of these difficulties? Probably often enough. Training the innovative teacher must always consider difficulties and barriers such as fear, technical obstacles, economical or administrative difficulties. 21st century teachers are not experts in technology, they are experts in habits of mind. In a rapidly changing educational context, modern educators see themselves as co-learners, not teachers. They dream big and ask, why not? They step outside their comfort zone and embrace change. They question everything and believe they can learn anything with the right attitude and sustained effort. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video.